fifth graders, I'm going to explain how to complete Station 3. First, I want to remind you where you can find Station 3 in Google Classroom under the Classwork tab, Unit 4 Stations, Unit 4 Math Stations, and then Station 3 will be right here. It's not there yet because I am making the video to post it. First off, team captains, get ready to share your screen. Don't forget when you share your screen, you have to click the button that says Share Sound. That way when you play this video, your teammates can hear you. Please go over the expectations. Teammates, please know that your team captain is going to send me a chat to let me know who follows these expectations. It is my expectation that you are doing all of these expectations. So I have the team captain list, the team list, and then the daily station assignments. You don't see any assignments or dates here. That's because I'm going to allow you and your team to choose. The only thing that I expect is that you choose one center and you stay in that center the entire time that we're at math centers. The next day that we complete math centers, you will choose a different math center. And then here are your wheel of names, just in case you've forgotten. Team captains, you can highlight, copy, paste. Remember, some of you know how to do Control-C and Control-V for paste. You can do it that way as well. And here is your team names. You can use that wheel to spin it and call on your teammates to answer questions. So, team captain, here is the screen, the first screen that you will share. First, you're going to play the video for your team. It will be right here. Then you're going to play it together. Every direction is right here for you to refer back to. So you are playing a multiplication and division game. And I know we have not learned division strategies yet in 5th grade, but you did learn them in 3rd and 4th grade. So I want you to try to practice those skills. So on each slide, you will see, I believe, 6 either multiplication or division problems. You will, team captains, you will say, we're going to solve number 1. I want you to solve it now, and your teammates will solve it on their board, whiteboard, or on their paper. Then you can use the wheel of names to call on students to give their answer and how they solved it. Now, if they have made a mistake, that's okay. You're just going to ask the teammates if they agree or disagree, and if they disagree, which they'll disagree politely and respectfully, you will ask another teammate to share how they got the answer. Notice right here, that is a division problem. It kind of looks like an addition problem. So once your teammates have given the answer, you'll just type it in, and your teammates will do the same thing. They should be putting this on their slides as well. Once you've finished this slide, and this slide, every single one of you will complete the exit ticket. Your level of understanding is 1, 2, 3, or 4. What have you mastered as pertains to this center? Don't tell me about soccer. Don't tell me about karate. Tell me about this center. And what do you still need help with in this center? Team captains, when everyone has finished that, you're going to remind them to turn it in. And then you'll go to this Flipgrid, and you will make a video explaining what you learned at the station and your station number. All right, have fun. Please make sure everyone has a file up and work together. Make sure you explain those strategies.